Hop into the 2020 Honda CR-V. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. You'll love the high-end feel and powerful performance of this sleek CR-V. This small SUV also comes fully loaded with advanced safety and infotainment technology, clever creature comforts, and a can-do attitude. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, alarm, rear spoiler, traction control, passenger vanity mirror, tire pressure monitoring system. Give yourself the upgrade you deserve. Get into the Honda CR-V and drive well. We'll put you behind the wheel today.